Why are you injured? What happened? I think he's injured. Are you injured? Are you injured?
Gonna fly?
No, injured siya. Injured siya, Tay.
Ano siya, ano?
Oh my God. Injured siya. Di siya mudagan.
Hindi mo siya mudagan, mo-fly mo siya.
Hindi siya mo fly. Uy.
Asa man injured niya?
Shh. Haluin niya eh. Oh. Are you injured? Are you sleepy? Na injured siya.